Hello friends. Today's video is very interesting. Today's topics is Android 12 news, release date and rumors. If you like my video then do not forget to subscribe my channel. Android 12 update. Many people will still be waiting for Android 11 to arrive on their phones, but Google is sure to already be hard at work on Android 12. Android 12 release date. We might get our first official look at Android 12 quite soon, as Google often launches developer previews in the first few months of the year. Android 11, for example, arrived in developer preview form in February of 2020. It will be up to device manufacturers to bring Android 12 to your phone, and that often takes months to do, so don't be surprised if your specific handset doesn't get Android 12 until 2022. What we want to see. Android 12 is in pretty good shape, but there's always room for improvement. The following things top our wish list: a whole new look, stackable widgets, support for more phones, an end to yearly updates, all features on all phones,